Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how I made this slow cooker creamy garlic butter chicken and potatoes recipe. This is a simple recipe that is so comforting. Let's get started. We're using medium-sized gold potatoes for this recipe, and we're going to start by cutting each potato into quarters. Once all the potatoes have been quartered, grab your slow cooker, then throw the potatoes into the slow cooker. Drizzle some olive oil all over the potatoes, then season with some dried thyme, dried rosemary, salt, and black pepper. Mix everything together, then set it aside for later. Next, we're going to season some chicken breast with salt, black pepper, dried oregano, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Go ahead and mix everything together, then season the chicken on both sides. Once the chicken has been very well seasoned, we're going to sear them. So heat up some oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chicken, then sear for 2 minutes on one side. Turn them over and sear them for another 2 minutes on the other side. Searing the chicken before slow cooking will add flavor. Once the chicken has seared on both sides, remove them from the pan, then place them onto the potatoes in the slow cooker. Next, we're going to make a delicious garlic butter creamy sauce for the chicken and potatoes. I'm melting some butter in the skillet over medium heat. As soon as the butter has melted, toss in some diced onion. Saute the onion for about a minute, then add some minced garlic. Cook the garlic for about 30 seconds to get fragrance, then add some all-purpose flour. Mix the flour in, then cook it for 1 minute to get rid of the flour taste. Then add a mixture of heavy cream and milk. We're also going to add some parmesan cheese and chicken bouillon cubes. Mix everything together very well and allow the sauce to cook for about a minute to thicken. Take the sauce off the heat, then pour it all over the chicken and potatoes in the slow cooker. Next, place the slow cooker lid on, then slow cook the chicken and potatoes for 4 hours. This is what it looks like after slow cooking. There is going to be some oil on the surface. You can use a spoon to skim off all the excess oil. I like to let this sit for about 10 minutes before serving because the longer this sits, the thicker the sauce gets. I garnished with some fresh parsley. The chicken came out so tender and flavorful. I like to break the chicken apart, that way it can soak up the sauce. I think it's more delicious this way. This meal is not the best looking, but it is so delicious and comforting. And it's the perfect comforting dish for fall and winter. If you guys want to make this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.